Hello, in this video I make a fire starter using wood and moisten it. Wait for the surprise at the end of the video. Abrade the wood using a tool like in the video. In this section we add the moisturizer into the glass. We add the wood to moisturizer. Add gasoline to the mixture. We cut the syringe. We put the material into the syringe. We create a lid for the syringe using hot glue. Subscribe if you enjoy the video. As you can see, the combination works properly and can help you in nature.